Hi there, this is Greg Barr with Cornhole Central, and I want to show you how easy it is to add something to our site. Just got a request on a post that we made from 503 Cornhole. They said they wanted to be added to our directory, so I'm going to show you I'll go ahead and do that for them, but I just wanted you guys to see how easy it is to self-service add yourself. So I'm going to copy the URL, head over to Cornhole Central, go to Contribute, add a club. So you can do this to your local league, group of friends, whatever. If you've got a bunch of people that like to play cornhole, hook it up. Especially if you have a Facebook page, it's really easy because I'm just going to paste the URL right here. Paste, import details. It's going to do me the favor of plugging in the name, little description. Struggles with the location sometimes depending on if they've got it or not, and pulls through the logo. So it doesn't have the address right. It's got San Jose where I am. So I'm going to go back and look at their page. See that they're in Milwaukee, Oregon. So I'm going to copy that, go back to the addition page, plug in that as their address, pick it, map gets updated, there we go. For category, I'm going to put these guys as Pacific Northwest. I don't yet know if they're affiliated with ACL or ACO, or if they use Scorholio, but those are all optional categories that you can add. But I know they're Pac Northwest, so I'll add that one, and it's simple as that. Submit, and they will be added as soon as I go in and approve it, which will just take me a minute. So there you go. Certainly, Cornhole Central is really supported by the community. So if you have a club or a tournament or a place that you can play, just like a bar or a Elks Lodge or something like that, go ahead and pop over to our site and contribute something. Looking forward to hearing from you. Thanks.